Welcome to this easy step-by-step guide on how to get travel insurance online using Sevencorners. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know to buy travel insurance with confidence. Let's start by exploring the Sevencorners website. This is a well-known platform that offers a wide variety of travel insurance plans. Whether you need medical coverage while traveling abroad or protection for unexpected trip cancellations, Sevencorners has something for everyone. The website is straightforward and user-friendly, making it easy to compare different insurance options and find the one that fits your specific needs. To begin, head to the Sevencorners homepage. You'll find a Get a Quote button right at the top. By clicking this, you can enter your travel details such as destination, dates, and number of travelers. You will also be prompted to choose the type of coverage you are looking for, such as medical or comprehensive. The system will then generate a list of options tailored to your trip. One great feature of Sevencorners is the ability to customize your coverage. You could adjust the coverage limits, add optional benefits like trip interruption or baggage protection, and see how these changes affect the price. This allows you to get the exact protection you need without paying for extras you don't want. The cost of travel insurance varies depending on several factors such as your age, the length of your trip, and the coverage options you select. However, Sevencorners is known for offering competitive rates, making it a reliable option for affordable travel insurance. You could also rest easy knowing that the company has been in the industry for years, with solid customer reviews and dependable support. One thing I like about Sevencorners is the clear breakdown of the coverage for each plan. When you click on any of the available options, you'll see a detailed description of what is covered. This includes important aspects like medical emergency coverage, evacuation, trip cancellation, and even COVID-19 related expenses, depending on the plan. Transparency like this helps ensure you're getting the protection you need for your trip. Now, a quick note on travel insurance itself. It's essential to secure proper coverage for international travel to protect yourself against unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, lost luggage, or trip delays. Without it, you could be facing high costs, especially if something goes wrong abroad. This is why I recommend using services like Sevencorners to safeguard your trip. Another service worth checking out is ECTA Traveling. They are a reliable travel insurance provider offering competitive plans, and I personally found them to be very effective. Make sure to explore their offerings through the link in the description for another solid option. Back to Sevencorners. Once you've selected your plan, the checkout process is straightforward. You'll be asked for some basic personal information before proceeding to payment. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive an email confirmation with all the details of your coverage. If you have any questions or need help during the process, Sevencorners has a helpful customer support team that can assist you via phone or chat. Their support is available before, during, and after your purchase, ensuring peace of mind for your entire journey. Now that you know how to get travel insurance online, make sure to follow the link in the description to check out ECTA Traveling for an easy and affordable travel insurance option. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful travel tips and guides.